Hey! In this video I will show you how to fast and easily make your own subscribe animation for YouTube. I made this template in Adobe After Effects. You just need to change a logo, channel name, and additional information. This animation was made for full HD resolution and 60 FPS video. Okay, you can download this animation for free from Google Drive. Check a link in the description below. After you have downloaded this archive, unpack it to any location you want. Then open this file using Adobe After Effects. In the project window find this file, logo.png. It's the BMW logo. Right-click on it. Replace footage, File. Select your channel logo. As you can see, this logo is very small. Then go to the logo composition. Just double-click on this. Here you can see a layer with your logo. Click right mouse button on it, select, transform, then, fit to calm. Go to the main composition. Now your logo has a good size. Then you need to change a channel name and info. Go to the info composition. Find here layers with channel name and information. Change it for your channel. You can also customize here a font and text size. Set a needed position of the verified icon. Instead of addition information I usually enter number of subscribers. Go back to the main composition. Now it's done, you have your own subscribe animation. Save this file. You can import this animation to your Premiere Pro projects. When importing select the main composition. You can also render it on the green screen if you want to add the animation to another soft like Sony Vegas. Open After Effects project with your animation. On the main composition enable this green background. Save this file, and render it. To render I usually use Adobe Media Encoder. I made this video because if you try to find a subscribe animation, you will stuck on scam links or bloggers who trick you to subscribe. This animation is completely free. If you need any other tools for YouTube please leave a comment about it, I will try to make something. Please follow my channel. Thank you for watching.